Hey everyone, this is Namo and you are watching Vocabulary Practice with Namo. In today's video, you have a good surprise, very big surprise for all of you because today it's a challenge for every one of you. Every one of you, are you ready to test your limits? Are you ready that whatever you learn from my videos, it is the right time to show your talent? So accept my challenge, and the challenge is you have to speak English at least for 5 minutes. Five, five, five. You have to speak English for 5 minutes. It is a challenge for every one of you. So do and dare, you have to do it. And this is a challenge for every English learner, every viewers, every one of you that you have to complete this challenge. And whatever the topic, it's totally depend upon you. You can choose any topic, your daily routine, any story, any incident that happened to you or your learning process, any book review, any book summary, it totally depend upon you. But just remember one thing, you have to take it as a challenge and you have to prove yourself. Just remember one thing, while you are going to take this challenge for 5 minute English speaking consistently, just remember that don't be interrupted. You have to be honest from yourself. No one can watch you. I am just telling you. I don't know you can accomplish this challenge easily or not. But remember one thing, if you are going to take this challenge, you have to take it with honesty. You have to trust yourself that you have to speak English at least for 5 minutes. Take it as a challenge and prove everyone that I am learning so very well and I can prove, I can test my limit. This is the right time. Whatever the topic is, you can use your daily routine, that what you are going to do, what you are already done, and what is your day to day, what is the happen in your day. You can speak about your any book review. If you want to learn any book, you can speak about any book review. You can tell any incident that was happened with you, like storytelling. Or you want to speak frequently, you want to speak very freely, you can do it. But you have to make sure that you are going to do it and you take it as a challenge. And I just want that you comment me then in which topic you are going to speak. If you can mention few words, just try to mention in the comment box. At least I know that how much you loyal with yourself, because you can learn so many things from me. You can learn so many content from my videos. Now it's time to test your limit. Now you have to prove yourself that you can do it. You can speak very well. It depends upon you what time you are going to choose. It totally depends upon you. No one can stop you, but you have to prove that you can speak English very good way. Just try to improve yourself, just try to take it as a challenge, and I know that you can do it very easily because you can learn so many English content from my videos and so many English content from other videos. So why not take it as a challenge and prove everyone wrong that you can speak very freely, you can speak very fluently. But take it as a challenge, and just remember one thing, you have to be consistent. Every day is going to be a challenge for you, but you have to speak consistently for 5 minutes. I am not talking about that you have to lengthy your process. It's just for 5 minutes. 5 minutes it's came here like that and going like that. So why not you have to practice English speaking at least for 5 minutes? That can help you, that you can understand that how can you learn, how what is your process and you are improving or not. So it is the best time for you. Just remember one thing, while you are speaking, try to record your voice and test your voice and track your progress, because how much time you give it to yourself, it's enough for you. If you feel that you is still not going to speak very well, you have to extend your practice time. You have to extend your limits. That is the only way you can improve yourself. And I really want every one of you, each one of you, can take this challenge and speak at least for 5 minutes. 5 minutes consistently English speaking. And I really want that you all can participate in this challenge, and I am sure that no one can deny that this challenge is going to be very interesting for every one of you. And take it as a challenge, and I really want that you comment me and you can tell me in which topic you are going to speak for 5 minutes consistently, 5 minutes continuously, and I really happy if you are doing that. So take it as a challenge. You have to speak English for 5 minutes consistently. Prove everyone wrong and test your progress. This is the right time to accept that you can learn English speaking very easily. So take it as a challenge. That's it for this video. And I really want that you can tell me in which topic you are going to speak. That's all in this video. Do take care of yourself. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.